So little update. Sold the Evo today, but came home, have a package, and I'm so excited. It's an early Christmas present from Logan. It's catch cans for the Mustang. So excited. I've known since the day that I got the Mustang that I needed catch cans. It's just been between like moving and changing jobs so much, like I haven't had the time or the extra money to put catch cans on it. So we're gonna unbox them. Let's see if I can set this up so that I can record and open the box at the same time, because this is, I'm about to go put the drag pack on my Mustang because I have a photo shoot tomorrow. And I personally think that my Mustang looks better with the drag pack on it instead of the stock wheels. Obviously, the stock wheels are disgusting. That's really cool, actually. They sent me like a little goodie bag, and it has some like pamphlets. But the cool part is, look at this little guy. Look at him. I never know where to hang my air fresheners. Like, I hate hanging it off the rearview mirror because it gets in my way, but so here we are. Lots of bubble wrap. Pop bubbles first. They don't pop. Never mind. We're not popping bubbles. So we have catch can. We've got the bracket. Some bolts and screws, hoses. Yeah, so hopefully I get to install this soon. More than likely gonna do it myself. You'll see a video on that.